Contains 133.8 fluid ounce bottle of ACT Restoring Zero Alcohol Fluoride Mouthwash Mint Burst Flavor. Zero alcohol, this ACT oral care product is an alcohol-free mouthwash. For benefits: 1. This fluoride mouthwash is designed to strengthen tooth enamel, remineralize soft spots, help prevent tooth decay and freshen breath. Smile Strong, anti-cavity rinses like ACT Restoring Mouthwash can help reduce cavities up to 70% more than brushing with a fluoride toothpaste alone. Dentist recommended brand, ACT Fluoride Mouthwash is the #1 dentist recommended fluoride brand. Help protect your teeth from weakening enamel and tooth decay with ACT Restoring Zero Alcohol Fluoride Mouthwash, strengthens tooth enamel, mint burst. This mouth rinse is designed to help strengthen tooth enamel, remineralize soft spots, prevent cavities and freshen breath. In fact, anti-cavity rinses like ACT Restoring Mouthwash are up to 70% more effective at reducing cavities versus brushing with a fluoride toothpaste alone. This ACT Restoring Mouthwash comes in a mint burst flavor and is an alcohol-free mouthwash. When it comes to strong smiles, trust the #1 dentist recommended fluoride brand. Among mouth rinses. Top reviews from the United States. Best oral care. Many years ago, a dental technician recommended ACT when she spotted a tiny cavity. After using this, the cavity never grew any larger and I've never needed any dental work on this tooth, have not developed any other cavities or other issues. I am not sure if dental equipment has changed or what, but my last cleaning was quick and painless. If not an equipment change, it has to be my daily use of ACT.